This is the easiest Korean soup to cook. It's seaweed soup called miyeokguk. 10 grams of miyeok, soak it for a while, drain, and cut into the size you want. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil to a pot and add 50 grams of beef. I'd like to use sliced one for speedy cooking. Now add miyeok and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Add 1 liter of water and bring it to a boil. Finally, add half teaspoon of salt and a few shakes of black pepper. Simmer for 10 minutes and it's ready to serve. This recipe can make 4 bowls of guk. One last thing about this soup, it's a birthday soup in Korea. Click the description for the details. Korean soup soy sauce is the best for this recipe, but I used regular soy sauce for your convenience. Click the link on the left to find out more about Korean soy sauce.